ActiveCampaign, which is based out of Chicago, claims to be an all-in-one marketing platform. But what does that actually include these days? Hey, I'm Roberta from Email Tool Tester, and welcome to our ActiveCampaign review. So we're going to get more into this further on in the video, but I'm going to tell you from the get-go that ActiveCampaign is the automation champ. If automations are what you need, then ActiveCampaign is a great choice. Though please stay to the end because I'm also going to cover areas where ActiveCampaign might not be the top choice. Aside from automations, you can also send a variety of email types, from simple marketing campaigns to A/B testing, and you can send SMS too. Plus, it has a powerful built-in CRM. Sounds too good to be true? Let's take a closer look at ActiveCampaign and all it has to offer. But first, let's talk prices. ActiveCampaign isn't the cheapest email marketing tool out there. Even though ActiveCampaign doesn't offer a free tier, unlike some other newsletter services, you do have the bonus of being able to send unlimited emails to your contacts, and you'll get access to the unlimited automation tools. So this could work well if you're a small business that sends out multiple emails a month to its members. Once you're signed in, you're presented with a full dashboard. Here you can see your latest campaigns, top contacts, and you can manage your templates. You can easily create a new campaign from this menu too, so let's try it out. ActiveCampaign has quite a few options for newsletter creation. You can even access the automation features from this menu. Let's have a look at a standard email for now. After you've chosen your list, you're taken to the templates. It's not a bad selection, and there's a handy preview available which opens up in another window, also displaying the responsive version. You can also create your own or use a previously saved template. Once you're inside the editor, you'll notice some green flashing points. These give you helpful information about each section. The drag and drop editor displays the element blocks on the right, as well as options for each element. It's simple enough to add elements, and you can create columns or spaces between sections. You'll find yourself using the spacer element a lot, which unfortunately can be a little fiddly. Another small issue is undoing something. At first glance, the time machine style seems like a great idea, but in practice it saves every tiny action. This means a lot of trial and error just to undo your own initial error. The next section gives you an overview page of several options regarding tracking and analytics, as well as preview and spam tests. Once you're happy, send away or schedule it for a more optimal time. As I said before, one of ActiveCampaign's highlights is its marketing automation, allowing you to create both simple and complex automations of emails and contact list segmentation. Let's take a look at an example of what you can do. When you create a new automation, you're given a list of templates, or recipes as they're called, that you can edit to fit to your purpose. Let's set up an abandoned car automation. Click here to configure your settings, like which products to apply the automation to. You can also segment contacts entering this automation here. Set how long it should wait and which email to send, and you're good to go. This is a great way to recover sales that could have been lost. So what about ActiveCampaign's CRM features? If you go into contacts, you can see a lot of information about each one, such as their location, any tags they've been assigned, activities, and also any on-site or event tracking. It's really helpful to have all of this information in one place, and it's a great advantage for sales agents as they can get in touch with warm leads with a click of a button. Setting up web forms with ActiveCampaign is pretty straightforward. Add the fields you need here. You'll find there are plenty of options. You probably don't want to include the ActiveCampaign branding. You can get rid of that by hitting this toggle. The reporting is very comprehensive, offering you insight into almost all facets, including page visits, geo-tracking, openers, e-commerce, and more. Note that conversion attribution reporting, i.e. an analysis of any given customer's journey up until conversion, is only available on the professional plan. It's difficult to fault ActiveCampaign. It really is one of the best tools out there right now. Allow me to recap some of the pros and cons. Its powerful marketing automation is by far the best we've seen. It might be a little overwhelming for complete beginners at first, but it should be easy enough to get your head around it with some practice. You have a host of email options to choose from, including split testing, autoresponders, and date-based emails. ActiveCampaign also boasts very good deliverability rates. Of course, this can change, but we've seen consistently good results. I should also mention that live chat support is very helpful, and you even have one-to-one training on the Pro plan and higher. The editor could be slightly more user-friendly. Also, pricing may be an issue for small businesses with simple newsletter needs, but for bigger businesses it's worth the investment, as its advanced automations will save you a ton of time. So there you have it. I hope that you've enjoyed this ActiveCampaign review. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.